folks in portfolio and professional practices, I'm going to give you a reminder. I would really like the majority of the pieces that you're sending to me to be all in one PDF. And so I'm going to remind you how to make everything into one PDF. All right. So I'm recording the screen as I'm actually doing this. I'm doing this for the typography class, but I want to demonstrate again how you go through this whole process. All right. So what I've done is I have these typo images for week 2, okay? And I want to put several of them into one PDF so that they can download them and have notes and not have to do individual downloads, okay? So I know that the first item that I'm going to need is laying the groundwork. Okay, so that's the title page for the whole thing. And it's a JPEG. You can see that right here, okay? Now I'm going to take that JPEG and I'm going to drag it so it's right on top of Adobe Acrobat so that it opens into Adobe Acrobat. Okay, stop that. There it goes. Okay. I'm going to go Command 0. You can see it's kind of low resolution. All right. So this is what I'm going to start with, and I want to put all 3 pages of this, actually 4, because there's also lecture notes to go in here with this. All right. So in order to be able to access everything that's going on, what I'm going to do is come over to this little triangle on the left-hand side and click it. Okay. Then that's going to show me my pages options. Okay, this is my pages thumbnails. That's what makes everything super easy to do. So I'm going to click on the pages thumbnails and I should see this page sitting there. Now I'm going to minimize this window just a little bit by screeching it down a little bit. It's doing this weird stuff because I'm using screen capture software right now. Okay, and so I need to put the other pages in there. Okay, so I'm trying to think of which one is the, okay, so typesetting is the next one, I believe, and so I'm going to go ahead and drag that in. Okay, so it put that one in there, and then variations, and I'm going to go ahead and drag that in there. Okay, you note all of these are JPEGs, but you can do it, you can drag PDFs in, you can drag JPEGs in, you can drag PNGs in, just about every file format that you can possibly think of. I have not tried to drag an Illustrator document in. Okay, and then I have the page, the chapter 2 lecture notes. Okay, so I'm trying to put this all together in one handout so that they don't have to download all these different things. Okay, now if you make a mistake and you want a page to be out or you want to move a page, all you do is move the page. It doesn't take anything at all. Close that down, go away. Okay, it doesn't take anything at all to move the pages around in here to adjust the order if you accidentally get out of order. Okay, and that's all there is to it. And when you're all done, you come up here and you do a file, save as, and give your PDF a name. Okay, so I'm going to choose a different folder, and I'm going to call this chapter 2 transcript and notes. Okay, so transcript and notes, and I'm going to put that back into, well, I'm going to put it into the typography folder. So I'm going to go into week 2, and that's the typography class, week 2, perfect. And I'm going to just go ahead and hit save. And that's it. That's all there is to doing things, okay? So like if you've made a PDF of something and you want just an image from your PDF and you don't want the whole PDF, you can actually drag images out of your PDF as well because they're stored in there and it just becomes extracted pages, all right? So I hope that helps when you guys are putting your portfolio stuff together to go ahead and throw in the Dropbox. All right, bye.